श्रीनुवत्स्य प्रवक्ष्यामि आद्यास्तोत्रं महाफलम्। यह पठेत सक्ता भक्त्या स एव विष्णुबल्लभः। Listen, dear one, as I reveal the great benefits of the Adya Stotram. Whoever recites this with devotion will be beloved of Lord Vishnu. मृत्यु व्याधि भयं तस्य नास्ति किंचित कलौ युगे। अपुत्रो लभते पुत्रं त्रिपक्षं श्रवणं यदि। In the Kali Yuga, fear of death and disease will not afflict the devotee. One without children will be blessed with a child if they listen to it for 3 fortnights. द्वौ मासौ बन्धन्मुक्तिर्विप्रवक्त्रात् श्रुतं यदि। मृतवत्सा जीववत्सा षण्मासं श्रवणं यदि। Hearing it from a learned Brahman for 2 months grants freedom from bondage. A mother who lost a child will have a living child if she listens for 6 months. नौकाया संकटे युद्धे पाठना जमाप्नुयात्। लिखित्वा स्थापयेत् गेहे नाग्निचौर भयं क्वचित्। Reciting it in times of distress at sea or in battle ensures victory. Writing and keeping it in the house removes fear of fire and theft. राजस्थाने जयी नित्यं प्रसन्नाः सर्वदेवताः। One will always be victorious in the king's court, blessed by divine favor. 3. ब्रह्मणि ब्रह्मलोके च वैकुंठे सर्वमंगला। इंद्राणी अमरावत्याम्बिका वरुणालये। Goddess Brahmani resides in Brahmaloka, bestowing auspiciousness in Vaikuntha. Goddess Indrani dwells in Amaravati, while Ambika resides in Varunasabo. Yamalye Kalrupa Kuber Bhavne Shiva. Mahanandagnikone च वायव्यां मृगवाहिनी. In Yam's world, she appears as Kalarupa. In Kuber's palace, she brings prosperity. She is Mahananda in the fire corner, and Mrigbahini, their rider, in the northwest. नैऋत्या रक्तदंता च ऐशान्या शूलधारिणी। पाताले वैष्णवी रूपा सिंहले देवमोहिनी। She is रक्तदान्ता in एथ। नैऋत्या रक्तदंता च ऐशान्या शूलधारिणी। पाताले वैष्णवी रूपा सिंहले देवमोहिनी। She is रक्तदान्ता in the southwest and Shuldharini, trident holder, in the northeast. In the netherworld, she appears as Vaishnavi, and in Lanka, she is Devmohini. Sursa च मणिद्वीपे लंकाया भद्रकालिका। रामेश्वरी सेतुबंधे विमला पुरुषोत्तमे। She is Sursa in Manidvipa and Bhadrakalika in Lanka. She is Rameshwari at the Setu, Ram Setu, and Vimal in Purushottama, Puri. Viraja Udradeshe च कामाख्या नीलपर्वते। कालिका बंगदेशे च अयोध्याया महेश्वरी। She is Viraja in Odisha and Kamakhya in the Neelachal hills. She is Kalika in Bengal and Maheshwari in Ayodhya. वाराणस्यान्नपूर्णा च गया क्षेत्रे गयेश्वरी। कुरुक्षेत्रे भद्रकाली ब्रजे कात्यायनी परा। She is Annapurna in Varanasi and Gayeshwari in Gaya. She is Bhadrakali in Kurukshetra and Katyayani in Braj. द्वारकाया महामाया मथुराया महेश्वरी। शुद्धातन सर्वभूताना बेलातन सागरस्य च। She is Mahamaya in Dwarka and Maheshwari in Mathura. She is the hunger of all beings and the tides of the ocean. नवमी शुक्ल पक्षस्य कृष्ण सायकादशी परा। दक्षस्य दुहिता देवी दक्षयज्ञ विनाशिनी। She is worshipped on the 9th day of the bright fortnight and on Krishna Ekadashi. She is the daughter of Daksha, the destroyer of Daksha's yajna, sacrifice. रामस्य जानकीता ही रावण ध्वंसकारिणी। चंडमुंडवधे देवी रक्तबीज विनाशिनी। She is Janki, Sita, the one who led to Ravana's destruction. She is the goddess who slew Chanda and Munda and destroyed Raktbija. निशुंभ शुंभमथनी मधुकैट भगातिनी। विष्णु भक्ति प्रदा दुर्गा सुखदा मोक्षदा सदा। She is the slayer of Nishumbha and Shumbha and the vanquisher of Madhu and Katbha. Goddess Durga always grants devotion to Vishnu, happiness and liberation. आद्यस्तवन इम पुण्य यह पठेत सत्त नरः। सर्वजारा व्याधिनाशन कोटितीर्थ फलप्रदम. Whoever recites this sacred hymn continuously attains great merit. They will be free from old age, and all diseases will be destroyed. They will gain the merits of visiting millions of sacred pilgrimage sites. जय में चाग्रतः पातु विजयः पातु पृष्ठतः. नारायणी शीर्ष देशे सर्वांगे सिंहवाहिनी. May Goddess Jaya protect me from the front and Vijaya from the back. May Narayani guard my head and Singhbahini, Lion Rider, protect my whole body. शिवद्युति उग्रचंडा प्रतंगे परमेश्वरी. Vishalakshi Mahamaya Kaumari Shankhini Shiva. May the radiant Shiva like Ugrachanda and Parmeshwari safeguard my limbs. May the wide-eyed Mahamaya, Kaumari and Shankhini protect me. चक्रिणी जयदात्री च रणमत्ता रणप्रिया. दुर्गा जयंती काली च भद्रकाली महोदरी. May goddess Chakrini, Jaydatri and the battle-loving warrior goddess protect me. May Durga, Jayanti, Kali, Bhadrakali and Mahodri shield me. Narsinhi Chavarahi Siddhidatri Sukhprada. Bhayankari Maharudri Mahabhyavinashini. May Narsinghi and Varahi, the bestower of success and happiness, protect me. May Bhayankari, Maharudri and the destroyer of great fears protect me. Iti Brahmajamle Brahmanarda Samvade Adyastotran Samaptam. Thus ends the Adyastotram, spoken in the Brahma Jamala, in the dialogue between Brahma and Narada. This completes the Adyastotram, a powerful hymn dedicated to Goddess Adya Shakti, Mahadev. This completes the Adyastotram, a powerful hymn dedicated to Goddess Adya Shakti, Mahadevi Durga. It describes her various forms, cosmic significance, and protective nature, ensuring spiritual upliftment, protection, and blessings for those who recite it with devotion. Would you like a PDF version or a formatted document for easy reference?